Dear student, today I am going to take the topic of the software re-engineering. Okay, so what is software re-engineering? So already we have one software, so that software is a modified or reconstitute into new form. So this kind of process is called as a software re-engineering. Okay, so this is the definitions. The principle of re-engineering when applied to the software development process. So first we take the any kind of already existing product, already existing software. That software is a we identify which part are the which component are the defected or improved, must be improved, so that will be reconstituted or altered. So this process is called as a re-engineering. Okay, so software re-engineering, we improve the software to make it more efficient and effective. That means after the development of the reconstitution of the software, it will improve the software efficiency and effectiveness. Okay, so that's why we use the software re-engineering. Here these are the steps. These are the procedure for the re-engineering. First decide. Decide means first the re-engineering is applied into the already existing software. Okay, so which software, which component is essential to modify or altered the software. So we take that component and we implement that, we change that component only, or we take full component. So first we want to decide which part of the software must be updated or must be modified. So that is the first one. Okay, next do means after the completion, after deciding that one, we are doing the reverse engineering. We take the existing software functionality, perform restructuring of the source code. After taking the reverse engineering process, we take the design. Okay, design and design code and everything, then we restructuring the source code. Okay, perform restructuring of data. Suppose if we want to change the data, we can. Okay, use forward engineering. After taking this one, we implement the forward engineering. That means we develop the particular component. Okay, so here it is a process where software design changed and the source code created from scratch. Scratch means so the software which are repaired. Okay, some of the components are repaired, so we should clear that error, or we should improve that component. Okay, so that is called as a software re-engineering. So the need for software re-engineering, what is the need? So here the identify the useless consumption of deployed resource and the constraints that are restricting the development process. So here first we identify the useless consumption. So already the software is a this process is applied only for the already existing software. We want to first we identify the which part are the useless part. Okay, we identify that part. Then after that we identify then constraint or conditions that are restricting the development process. Okay, next the software re-engineering is necessary. There are 2 points. One is a boost up the productivity. After the re-engineering, it will improve the already existing software productivity is maximized or optimized. Okay, so that's why software engineering re-engineering is essential. Process in continuity. Continuity means so we should apply the re-engineering into already existing existing product. So that's why we take any one component or the whole software. So the continuity must be sequence order, otherwise the user will suffer. Okay, then the improvement opportunity. Functionality but also skills are refined, and new ideas hit your mind. Okay, so skills are refined, new ideas hit your mind. So here we update or refine the new things. So that's why it will improve the software product. Okay, reduction in risk. So after the improving or after change the altering the product, it will reduce the risk. Okay, this is the another one advantage. Save time. So we modified the product or reconstrued the product. So that's why the software product is improved. So that's why the time is consumed. Okay, optimization. Moreover, the software is working very well. So it reached the its maximum level. So that's why reduce the complexity of the product and so that's why it will improve the optimum level. Okay, re-engineering cost factor. What are the cost expenses when we apply the re-engineering? First, the quality of the software. Okay, then the tool, whether it is belongs to the software or hardware tool, it takes some amount of money. So the data conversion. So already we have a one data, so after reconstructing it will be changed. Okay, so availability of the expert staff. So this is the another one. This is the software re-engineering cycle. Okay, first inventory analysis, document reconstruction. We take the old inventory, that means we take the stock from all any kind of organization. So that document is reconstructed. Then the reverse engineering. Reverse engineering means we find the design and code from the already existing software, and it will be the code and design will be modified. That is a code reconstructing. This is the code reconstructing. After reconstructing, with the data is reconstructing, then we applied the forward engineering. That means we develop the software and it will be applied into the it will be given to the user. He will work the software. So that is a forward engineering. Okay, so this is the already we saw that the software re-engineering activity. Inventory analysis, then document reconstruction, reverse engineering. Reverse engineering means in a first, what is inventory analysis? In a inventory analysis, we take the old software. Each and every organization has a inventory, that means stock itself. So we take the all the detail from the that stock. Okay, they will give it will give the all the information about the existing software. Document reconstructing. After that, we identify the component, then we change which component should be updated. Okay, then reverse engineering. Reverse engineering means so we take the design and code from the already existing software, and this is called as a reverse engineering. After the reverse engineering, code reconstructing and design reconstruction. Then the data suppose if it is if we want to change the data restructuring, we should use the reverse engineering, and the data restructuring also doing the process. Then forward engineering. After that, after the renovation reclamation, recover design information from the existing software, but uses this information to alter and reconstruct the existing system to improve its overall quality. Dear student, today I take the software re-engineering. If you have any kind of doubt, please kindly give the question into the comment section. I will clear your doubt. Thank you, student.